Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing okay. You're with Dreaded Explorer and Kim. She changed her hair, guys, look.
I'm right.
We're gonna have to hide her really, really well. But yeah, fingers crossed, and hopefully we're on our way in to, careful, and explore. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. We've been trying to get in here for a few weeks now, guys. And it's just not happening. We've got security, dogs, and all sorts. So we're trying to take the back door approach. And we've walked miles past the house. Look at the lovely view though, guys. How the fuck did we overshoot the house? It's there, isn't it, in them bushes? Yeah, guys, look. Well, let's follow the Urbex highway and see if it can get us in. Does it go off in there? Don't want to get spotted. Like knee deep in grass. It's like... Oh God.
You worked out why is it we have all the grasses?
I know for a fact, so guys, this place is going to be worth all the effort we're putting in to get here. Me and Liam were here a few weeks ago, before the place became hot with security and yeah, so obviously then, for whatever reason, the property became hot and we've got security and dogs and all sorts. But so far, with what? What? Shh, shh. Okay, guys, so we're getting closer. So what I'm gonna do is, just in case we need to run, I'm gonna pause you and put you in my pocket, and I'll come back to you in a minute, okay? I'm literally in the bush, on my hands and knees, trying to get a closer sneak peek, but there is still security there, so we ain't getting in. Okay, guys, so